Today we are going to be talking about how to take an AR test. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are on Renaissance Learning. Once you are on this screen, you are going to click the top button that says I'm a student. It will bring you here to where you need to enter the login information that your teacher has provided for you, both your username and your password. Once you have done this, click the login button. It will bring you to this screen. You are going to select the orange button that says Accelerated Reader. Once you have clicked on this, it will bring up a screen with a search bar. This search bar will allow you to search for a book by title, author, or quiz number. It is always going to be easier to type in the quiz number, just in case you misspell. So once you have entered the quiz number, you will hit search. If you have difficulty locating the quiz number on a book, please see your teacher or the library media specialist. Now this book only has one book matching this title. However, if there were multiple books with the title Duck Duck Dinosaur Snowy Surprise, the other options would be listed below it. Renaissance Learning tries to make sure that every book cover shows beside the title of the book. However, if you do have multiple options and are unsure which one to choose, again, please see your teacher or the library media specialist. However, since this is the book I want to click Take Quiz. It will then provide me with three different options. I was read to, I read with someone, I read by myself. If you were read to by your teacher, we would select that option. If you read with someone like a friend, you would select the second option. And finally, if you read by yourself, you would click the third option. Now this book has a pair of headphones, so that means it allows a recorded voice to read the questions for you. If you don't need that, you would leave it on off. If you need that option, you would click on. For this one, I'm going to say I don't need it, because I read by myself. Next, I click Start Quiz. At the very top, it will tell me how many questions are in this quiz and how many I have left. So this is question 1 of 3. Feather, flap, and spike skate. What does feather say? Skating is cold. My skates are too big. I love to skate. Well, since this is just an example, I'm going to just select an answer and click Next. Please make sure you do not do this when taking your own AR test. If you cannot find an answer or do not know the answer, look in your book and see if you can find the answer. On the last question, it will tell you to click Finish. Uh-oh, it looks like I didn't read this book. I only got 1 out of 3 questions correct. That means I only scored 33% correct. I earned 0 points, and it's guessing that I really didn't read the book. So what I would do is hit Next, and it would take me to my flower page. Now this flower page, if I had read the book, it would show a cloud raining on my flower, and then my flower would start to fill in with color. It also gives me the option to find my next book if I had another AR test to take. If I didn't, I would find my name up at the top and then click Log Out, where it would take me back to the original screen. And that's all you have to do to take an AR test.